Father's Day gift ideas from Amazon. I actually logged into my husband's Amazon account to see the stuff that he purchases for himself, because like what better way to find out what your man wants than like looking at a list of things that he has already bought and then like kind of going from there. I'm horrible at buying gifts for my husband, mainly because he's the I don't want anything type of guy. Like, I have purchased things in the past, especially like clothing, like I'll get like a workout shirt or shorts and he just doesn't like it. He is very particular about everything, like the size, the fit, like no tags, like it can't be uncomfortable. So I've about given up at this point. So I decided to actually log into his Amazon account and take a look at the stuff that he has purchased. So I figured if he purchased it for himself, then chances are that this is something a guy would like. So if you want to get some Father's Day gift ideas, then just keep on watching. I'll be linking all the items I'm sharing with you today down below in the description. I'm also going to pin it to the first comment to make it a little bit easier for you. I know there's things that he uses like on the regular, and so I figured that would be a good place to start. This one is more of a recent find. It's actually this Lego set, which yeah, he's like a 40-year-old man, like still not really playing with Legos. He actually bought it because he was gonna get the girls to build this Lego set, but it was very like intense. And so the girls quickly got bored of it, or they just like kind of gave up. He ended up having to construct this Lego Technic Porsche 911 race car modeling kit. So it took him a few days, but he finally managed to do it. And his thing is he wanted to get a few of these to actually display in his office at his mechanic shop. And it actually was really, really cool. And then in order to display it, he had to purchase this like display stand. It's actually made for this. And if you look through it, you can see like some demos of like other, you know, Lego sets that you can kind of construct. So if he's a car guy, or if he, even if he doesn't have his own shop, but like he likes to decorate his garage and like make it all car things, and I think that he's really gonna like this. My husband's a big Formula One fan, so cars are his thing. And I actually thought that this was a really cool, unique gift for dads. Another one of his recent purchases is this book. This is the Frank Lloyd Wright The Houses book. It is like super heavy and big. I actually took off the sleeve because it was really beautiful. It had obviously one of his like architectural gems on the front, but I really liked it because it was just black and it just kind of went with the decor that I had going on in this living room. But oh my god, this thing is so heavy. But if he's really into like architecture, like looking at that kind of stuff, which I know my husband is, then they'll really enjoy this one. You can even purchase a stand, which I will link down below for you as well, so you can actually have it stand like this and put it as decor in your living room. I always love like going into someone's house and they have like these type of books. It just makes it look like it's like a great home decor piece, but it's also like an entertainment piece. And so I really love it. But this book is awesome, and he just likes going through them and seeing all the amazing houses that he designed and built. So if he is an architectural fan, then he'll really enjoy this book. One thing that I noticed that he was buying like every couple of months was a new The North Face t-shirt. My husband, I think, has like every single color. He loves these. I think he just likes like the quality, the fit of it. Like they're just like good t-shirts. He's definitely like a uniform guy. He has a t-shirt and cargo shorts. Like that is his thing. He's been wearing cargo shorts since high school. He's not gonna change. Like he has the same black pair that he has bought like hundreds of times. It's so funny. I really love how minimalist he is, because it just kind of offsets how much stuff I have. But yeah, once he finds something that is good and lasts and looks good and fits good and all of that, he'll just keep repurchasing over and over again. So I have two North Face shirts that I put on there. One of them, they just have like a little bit of a different design on the back, so I linked two of those. So again, if he's a t-shirt guy, like a casual dude, like I think he'll really enjoy these. I also saw that he purchased these Under Armour shorts. It's so funny because last Father's Day, I went to Kohl's and I purchased a few like Adidas t-shirts and like, you know, workout shorts. And yeah, like it just like didn't fit him right. And I got his size and everything, but I just feel like he just doesn't like me buying stuff for him. Like he doesn't have a problem buying himself things. He just doesn't want me buying it for him. But then he'll go and like buy me and the girls everything. And I'm just like, well, that's not fair, you know? Anyways, that's just him. So he got these Under Armour men's lunch stretch shorts. They're 7-inch shorts, and he uses this for the gym. So my husband's a really big gym guy. So before we got our membership, like, I'd say it's probably been about a year since we got our gym membership. He would buy stuff and like work out in the backyard. He's very disciplined in that sense. Like, we have the equipment, but for some reason, like, unless I go somewhere to work out, it's really hard for me to get motivated. So, but he would work out here at home. He did buy this electronic muscle stimulator, which is really cool. I tried it myself before I was pregnant on my abs, and like it feels like contractions. Like, it's just contracts your ab muscles. You can also put them in like different spots. So they have one for the arm. If the dad in your life wants to get in shape, but just like maybe can't find the time, or maybe like doesn't have all the time to go like every single day to the gym, then you could definitely get one of these. Or you can get it for yourself, really. Like, I feel like it worked. It did feel like when you were done with it, like you had done a bunch of ab workouts. Now, it's not something like that I did every single day, so it's not like I saw a difference or anything, but I just wanted to bring it to your attention because I thought it was really cool. He also purchased a couple of things to take to the gym with him, including this weightlifting belt. Again, being elder millennials, we're at that point where we really need to start being careful with our lower back. So he actually does wear this whenever he goes to do like heavy weightlifting. He also purchased the lifting wrist straps. I've never used this, so I don't know exactly how they work. Actually, I think I had seen him one time. So you put it around your wrist, and there's just a strap, and you just wrap that around the bar, and it's supposed to help you whenever you're weightlifting. So he actually got these as well. Again, if the dad in your life is into CrossFit, especially CrossFit, because I know they do a lot of like, you know, barbell lifts and jerks and all of that. I don't even know the terminology, but you know what I mean. Or if he just really enjoys going to the gym and weightlifting, I think he'll really enjoy these wrist straps as well. Another thing that he is constantly using is this Ultimate Ears HyperBoom portable Bluetooth speaker. Now, this thing is a little big, like it's probably about this big. He actually uses this like whenever he's outside, like doing lawn work or working out. He uses this mainly when my daughter wants to have like her little dance parties outside. So usually like on Friday or Saturday afternoons, like after we go, usually we get something to eat out. And when we come back, she wants to do like freestyle dancing. So he'll just take this outside and put it on our driveway, and like my daughter will just be dancing, and you know, he'll have a beer and just like chill there. So this was really cool. If you like to have like backyard parties, patio parties, go to the beach, go to the lake house, this one is really cool, especially if you need like it to be loud. Like, it's a really good speaker. Now, I know it's a little bit pricey, but he also has this other one, which is a little bit more affordable. It is smaller as well. It's the Ultimate Ears MEGABOOM portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. This one is actually really good. We took it to the beach one time, and it was like really good sound. So yeah, a portable speaker is always a great idea, even if it's more of like a golfer. You know, sometimes, I mean, my husband's not a golfer, but I'm assuming like when they're in the cart, you can put the portable speaker there so that they can listen to music as well while they do their activities. Don't forget to check out my Amazon storefront. I do have an idea list with a bunch of other gift ideas for dads. There are like a Yeti cooler. There's this really cool like thing, if they have a lot of tools, that you can kind of like round it up and like take it on the go. I also have some apparel. There is also don't forget this Sasquatch soap. My husband buys this. He doesn't buy it on Amazon, but he does go to like whenever he's at Walmart or Target, he'll get this Sasquatch soap, and it's actually really, really good. And it has like that manly smell, but again, like I use it myself, and I just think like it's really hydrating and good. So I'll go ahead and leave the link to my Amazon storefront down below so you can go check that out. I really hope that you got a little bit of inspiration from this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments, what is one thing that you've purchased for your husband, brother, dad, uncle that they really loved. And then that way, if you are watching this, you can look down at the comments and see if there's any other recommendations on there. I feel like men are so hard to buy stuff for. Like they never want anything. They don't give you any ideas. So like for me, like my husband always does, because I always want everything. You can never not make me happy with anything that you buy me. But my husband, on the other hand, it's like, it's so difficult. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell as well, so that you'll be notified of my next upcoming video. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Happy Father's Day, and we'll chat soon. Bye.